to heal, to recover from illness or trauma, to regain health and recuperate the physical, mental, and emotional body. But how? How do we truly do that? Bring on the healing vibrations of essential oils. Born of life-giving essence, the plants that surround us are captured in time by extracting some of the highest healing compounds known to humankind. From ancient civilizations and spiritual elders to sacred shamans and medicine men to midwives and even surgeons, our ancestors used these precious oils as medicine. Embracing the natural world, we recognize the importance of this long-lost plant-based pharmacy and invite you to be inspired by the magical medicine they provide. Awaken to the healing power within you and start your wellness journey today.